This is an introduction to your air source heat pump. Your heat pump is located at the rear of the property. Please note this pump requires a constant flow of air, so please ensure that no items are stored around the heat pump. Due to the nature of this system, your radiators will not get as hot as one supplied by a gas boiler. Because of this, we recommend that your heating always remains on. This is the most cost-effective and energy-efficient way to use your heating system. The main thermostat is located in the lounge. You can control the temperature with the arrow buttons. When you press the buttons, the thermostat will display the current set temperature. When the thermostat is left idle for several seconds, it will display the current room temperature. Inside the airing cupboard at the top of the stairs is all the associated equipment for the air source heat pump. This door is locked to ensure safe operation of the system. Each radiator in the property has its own individual thermostatic radiator valve, or TRV. A TRV will control the individual temperature of this radiator. To turn the temperature of the radiator up, you can turn the dial around to 5, and to turn it down, you turn it down to 1. The TRV means that you can control the temperature of that individual radiator. Your heating system will be serviced annually by our contractor. They will contact you when required to book the service.